Today, I'm reviewing Doxi, Job Recruitment Agency Elementor Template Kit. Designed specifically for businesses such as job boards, recruitment agencies, HR advisors, human resources firms, job listing platforms, or any agency seeking a polished online presence, Doxi provides a complete package to launch your job agency website. The template kit is built with a clean and professional design. Its layout is fully responsive, ensuring your site looks great on any device. It's also retina-ready for crystal-clear visuals and is extremely easy to customize because it leverages Elementor. This means you don't need any coding knowledge to tailor your site to match your brand. Doxi includes content for Elementor pages and is optimized for the free Hello Elementor theme. This makes integration and setup straightforward. One key convenience is that it uses only free plugins, and Elementor Pro is not required. Let's talk about the layout features. The design is modern and professional, giving your site a credible and engaging look. You'll benefit from cross-browser compatibility, so your website performs consistently no matter the browser your visitors use. Doxi is mobile-friendly and provides more than 17 ready-to-use page templates. You can customize your fonts and colors all in one place using the global kit style, ensuring design consistency across your pages. Inside the kit, you'll find templates for home, services, service details, about us, jobs, job details, our team, pricing plan, contact us, blog, single post, FAQs, error 404, header V1, footer V1, Medform contact, and Medform newsletter. This comprehensive selection enables you to structure your site extensively, covering all anticipated business needs for a job recruitment agency. As for plugins, you get Elementor, Elements Kit Lite, RMT Kit, Skyboot, and Medform bundled. These expand your functionality and help you build interactive layouts and forms without extra costs. It's important to note that Doxi is not a WordPress theme. It's a collection of design templates for Elementor and must be installed using the Elementor Template Kit import plugin for WordPress or directly through Elementor. There's a detailed guide available online for installation and setup, and if you need further support, you can use the Elementor Get Help option in your WordPress menu. If you want to set up headers and footers with Jeg Elementor Kit and you have Elementor Pro, you should use the theme builder. For global headers and footers on pages built with Elementor, set the page layout to Elementor full width. The steps are simple. Go to Jeg Elementor Kit header template, add a new header, set the condition to all site, click Create, and then edit the header in Elementor. From there, you access your saved templates, insert the desired header, customize, and save. Importing Medform custom forms is equally straightforward. While editing a page, locate the Medform widget in the Elementor Navigator. Enter Edit Mode, select New, then use the gray folder button to access the templates. Once you insert your chosen Medform template, update the page to apply the changes. Regarding images, Doxi uses demo images sourced from Envato Elements and Freepik. If you want to use these images on your live website, you'll need to obtain the appropriate licenses from Envato Elements, or you are free to swap them out for your own visuals. In summary, Doxi, Job Recruitment Agency Elementor Template Kit is an all-in-one solution for recruitment agencies and job boards seeking a quick, stylish, and efficient way to launch a website. With modern design, responsive layouts, a wide assortment of templates, and no requirement for premium plugins, it is a compelling choice for anyone looking to build or revamp their online recruitment platform through Elementor.